If you're building a powerful AMD gaming or productivity PC, the GIGABYTE B850 AORUS Elite Wi-Fi 7 motherboard is definitely worth checking out. The Amazon link is in the description, so visit there for the latest price, offers, and availability. This motherboard is built for AMD Ryzen 7000, 8000, and the latest 9000 series processors using the AM5 platform, making it an excellent choice for anyone planning a high-performance PC that can stay relevant for years. One of its biggest strengths is the advanced 14+2+2 power phase design, which provides stable power delivery for demanding workloads, gaming sessions, and multitasking. It also supports modern DDR5 memory, allowing your system to deliver faster performance and improved responsiveness. Storage is another highlight because you get 3 M.2 slots for high-speed SSDs, making game loading, file transfers, and application launches noticeably quicker. The motherboard also includes PCIe 5.0 support, giving users access to next-generation graphics cards and ultra-fast storage devices whenever they're ready to upgrade. Connectivity is equally impressive with built-in Wi-Fi 7 for faster wireless speeds, lower latency, and a more reliable online experience, while the 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port provides a stable wired connection for gaming or professional work. USB-C support makes connecting modern accessories simple and convenient, and GIGABYTE's EZ-Latch design allows easier installation of storage devices and graphics cards without unnecessary frustration. Large VRM and M.2 thermal guards help maintain lower temperatures during long gaming or heavy workloads, contributing to stable long-term performance. Whether you're creating content, streaming, gaming, or building your first AM5 system, this motherboard offers an excellent combination of speed, reliability, upgrade potential, and premium features at a competitive price. Backed by a 5-year warranty, it also provides extra peace of mind for long-term use. If you're planning your next PC build and want a motherboard that's ready for today's hardware and tomorrow's upgrades, be sure to check out the Amazon purchase link in the description and see the latest pricing and customer reviews for the GIGABYTE B850 AORUS Elite Wi-Fi 7.